Jay the Great, you know what I'm saying? Just chillin' the ATL for the weekend, man, you know what I'm saying? Smoking on some gas, sipping on some lean, and trying to get in between, you know what I'm saying? You know, let's get it. So I'm rolling through the ATL, mine stuck throat as hell. Met a cute chick named Brianna, she wouldn't kiss or tell, my words prevailed. For a second at least I thought they did. When I was in the club at the bar sipping on some nada shit, I did it big. Up in Magic City throwing singles, took me to the VIP room, so now it's time to mingle. Man, that chick was dancing hard for them 20 bones, popping and twerking, shaking that ass, had my mind going to my favorite song. She was getting it, thinking about taking that home, so I'll be hitting it and ripping it, cause I'm a fiend for it. The ladies love when I rip, just so they can explore it. Turning dreams into reality, my stroke game vicious, envisions a straight fatality. They mad at me, yeah, I got these haters mad at me, but I don't give a damn cause I'm having fun in the A. Man, my time has been terrific, had one hell of a day, but it's time to go back home, that's all a nigga can say, Living in the city, working 9 to 5, trying to get by as the time flies.
That's right.
No time to get high, cause I'm focused on my goals. No illegal drug dealing, a straight life I chose. Trying to live life to the fullest, without no regrets. Try to live life to the fullest, cashing big checks. Cause it's all about the money,
that moolah.
but it's always family first. Cause them hoes steady fiending, tryna quench they thirst, but I ain't fucking with it. Yes, no, I'm not.
Nope.
Just looking for a real woman with dreadlocks and a conscious mind and an attitude real rude and real cool.
Alright.
But I'm jumping off topic, time to get back on
it.
Cause life's about a bitch, sometimes she ain't pretty.
Nope.
And temptation is a cousin, breaking through the nitty gritty. Gotta keep my head above water through these tough moments.
Conscious.
Cause the city's getting older and a bit colder. But I'm just living, I'm just living.
That's right.
Just trying to do right, just to be given.
Come on.
Because I'm just living, trying to do the best. That's given. I'm just living, trying to do the best. That's given, ain't given. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. She loves to get high, that's the fact, what is boning. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. Taking pipe daily is a must when she's honing. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. She loves to get high, that's a fact, what is boning. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. Taking pipe daily is a must when she's honing. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. She loves to get high, that's a fact, what is boning. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. Taking pipe daily is a must when she's honing. Blunts to the head, we just tagging it along. It's 3 AM and she begging for a doggy style. Missionary cowgirl, she a wild child. When she with me, she likes to watch porn frequently. If I remember correctly, do distinctively. She likes it hardcore, the front to the back. She like an animal, she really don't know how to act. Once I put it on her, left, right, bouncing up and down, make that ass go left, right, up and down, pound for pound. She a Pisces, so she love making them loud sounds. Freaky girl, very freaky, oh yes indeed. Need for speed, man, we puffin' on them green trees. 3 in the morning, oh yeah we on. Making passionate lust, taking hits from the bone. Oh, moaning, it's 3 in the morning. She loves to get high, that's a fact, word is bone. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. Taking pipe daily is a must when she's honing. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. She loves to get high, that's a fact, word is bone. Moaning, it's 3 in the morning. Taking pipe daily is a must when she's honing. Smoking, on that gas, just choking, on that gas, just smoking, on that gas, just choking, on that gas.
Come on.
Smoking on that gas, got me feeling great.
That's right.
Smoking on that gas, trying to elevate to the highest state, cause I'm on another level. Just floating, baby, to the highest degree, gotta be careful. About to have a smoking session, finna hot box the whip. Just me and my nigga and a few ladies, probably.
Oh yeah.
I'm a pothead and I love it. Can't really put nothing above it.
Nope.
Blunt to the face, let me shred it. The music's playing, nigga, cut it. I'm chillin', nigga, cut. Blunt in my left,
Alright.
champagne in my right. This gas is out of sight.
Dope.
Oh yeah, it's out of sight. Damn right, it's out of sight.
Damn right.
Feeling so damn good, hope I make it through the night. Because smoking on that gas, just choking on that gas, just smoking on that gas, just choking on that gas.
Come on.
Thoughts in my head, thoughts of seeing bread.
That's right.
A nice house, about 3 cars, that's what I said.
Ballin'.
Hoes all around the pool, Just popping balls with an entourage, having a barbecue, going full throttle. But I snap back just to kick back and realize that I ain't about that life,
No, I'm
at least
not.
till my demise.
Yep.
False dreams be coming true, straight out the blue.
It's crazy.
Too irrational to be true.
Damn.
But them short days and them long nights, paparazzi and long flights, becoming a new nigga and doing what it takes and whatever works. Yeah, it hurts and yeah, it sucks, but I love the perks. At least I think I do, but I really don't.
Hell no.
Thinking this will last forever, but it really won't.
It won't.
Gotta stay humble,
Yep.
gotta stay honest,
Always.
cause selling out's not an option, and that's a promise.